Hello, future healthcare heroes. Bill Nye here. Today, we're diving into Microsoft Excel, a tool that keeps healthcare running smoothly. In hospitals, there's a mountain of information: patient names, appointments, test results. Excel organizes all this data in neat rows and columns, making it easy to find what you need fast. With Excel, you can track patient info, spot health trends, and help your team deliver better care. Don't worry if it looks intimidating. Learning Excel is just like learning any new skill. Soon, you'll be creating spreadsheets, entering data, and making charts that tell a story. Excel isn't just software. It's a skill that will boost your healthcare career. Ready to become an Excel pro? Let's get started. By the end, you'll see Excel is a powerful tool for science, health, and helping people. Let's dive in. Time to create your first spreadsheet. Find the green Excel icon on your computer and open it. Choose Blank Workbook. That's your digital binder. Each workbook has sheets, like pages for different info, appointments, lab results, and more. The main screen is a grid of columns, A, B, C, and rows, 1, 2, 3. Where a column and row meet is a cell, each with a unique address, like A1 or C5. Click on any cell to make it active. The green border shows where you're working. The name box above column A tells you the cell's address. Practice clicking around. Getting comfortable with cells is step 1 to Excel mastery. Each cell is your workspace for entering and organizing data. Soon, you'll be moving around the grid like a pro. Let's get hands-on. Ready for the next step? Let's build a simple patient vitals log. Start by adding headers. In A1, type patient name. Tab to B1 and type date of visit. Continue C1, temperature C, D1, blood pressure, E1, heart rate, BPM. These headers keep your data clear and organized. Now enter a patient's info: A2, Jane Doe, B2, 2026-08-27, C2, 37.1, D2, 120, 80, E2, 72. You've just entered your first record. To make your data easier to read, turn it into a table. Click any cell in your data, go to the Insert tab and select Table. Make sure My Table Has Headers is checked, then click OK. Instantly, your data is neatly formatted and ready for sorting or filtering. Tables make managing health info simple and efficient. With just a few clicks, you've created a professional-looking log. Organization is key in healthcare, and Excel makes it easy. Let's keep going. Excel can do the math for you. Let's try it. Add a few more patient records with different temperatures. To find the average temperature, click an empty cell below your data. Type average, C2, C4, and press enter. Excel calculates it instantly. Need to add numbers? Use JAWS sum range the same way. Formulas save time and reduce errors, like having a built-in calculator. Now, let's visualize. Select patient names and heart rates. Go to Insert Charts and pick a bar chart. Instantly, you'll see each patient's heart rate as a colorful bar. Charts help you spot trends at a glance, perfect for healthcare data. With formulas and charts, Excel turns numbers into insights. You're not just entering data, you're making it meaningful. Ready to save your work? You've built a spreadsheet, used formulas, and made a chart. Now save your work. Click File. Save As, choose a folder, and give your file a clear name, like Patient Vitals Log. Saving often keeps your data safe. Use the floppy disk icon or press Ctrl+S. In healthcare, privacy matters. Always follow your workplace's rules for storing patient info. Use secure folders or network drives for sensitive data. Organization and security go hand in hand. Keep exploring Excel. Try different charts, use sort and filter, and experiment with new features. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Excel is your ally for making a difference in healthcare. Stay curious, keep learning, and use data to help others. You're on your way to becoming an Excel whiz.